In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can crop videos here in TikTok. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and open up the TikTok app. And from here, you can either record a new video or upload one from your photo gallery. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and use one for my photo galleries. So go ahead and select this little plus icon, select your gallery down here, and then find whatever video you'd like to go ahead and use. Let's just say I would like to use, this video right here. Go ahead and select it. And what you're going to do is hit next to take you to a page that looks like this. Once you are on this page, go ahead and select the little trimming icon to bring up a page that looks like this. And if you select your video, you'll see the crop option on here. Select that, and now you can see there's a bunch of different aspect ratios on here that you can go ahead and select. For example, there's 9:16, 16:9, 1:1, 3:4, and 4:3. Go ahead and choose whatever one you would like, or if you want to go ahead and freeform it, you can go ahead and do that as well. Obviously, the standard TikTok video is 9:16 since it does fill the entire screen, but it is up to you what you'd like to do. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.